Hi, welcome to this episode of Building a Car with Jake. This episode we will discuss the amount of rust it takes to take Jake away from a project. As you can tell, a lot of rust. But I didn't turn away from this project, and I'm kind of excited that I didn't. But I thought I'd show you how crappy this car was when I got it, all the rust that I found as I dug into it, and show you how I overcame the heights. This is the rocker. Well, it's not much of a rocker, but it's there. I gotta dig all of it out of this whole section. It's rusted clear through everything. So now we'll go over to the passenger side here, and guess what I find? Rust. 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 Ooh, look. A lot of rust. So with all this rust, I was thinking I'll make my own rockers, patch them just a little. But I got looking into it, and these are extremely structural. There's a lot of stresses on those, so I was like, let's just get it off the ground and make it workable. So I'm showing you the height. I wanted the back off and the front off the ground. 6 inches to a foot would be nice. I thought of using cinder block. 4 cinder blocks will save you, right? Wrong. I was going to put wood from here to here, showing this to my dad. His first message back was, "You're an idiot. That's how the neighbor got hurt. Another guy died." So, in order to save and preserve my life, I did not use cinder block. I tried another thought. Here you go. I'll weld some pipes together and make tire stands where I can set my tires up on these. And, put it right here. Hold the tire. Give me about 8 inches to a foot off the ground. I'll weld this pipe so when the tire goes flat, it still stays up pretty good. But I don't know if I want to trust my welding, and it's kind of sketchy, and Harbor Freight. Winner. So I broke down, spent some money. I bought 4 of these. See all 4? And my kid, who is now safe under the car apparently. These ones came with a little key to lock the stands up. 6 tons is way more than I need. I got 6 jack stands underneath there. This gave me 6-7 inches off the ground in the front and the back. To lighten it up, I took the motor and transmission out, saved me about 1,500 pounds. So with that, I have a good workspace. Now I've added this bracing in here so I can start cutting stuff out. You can see here I got the doors out of the way because you can't put the doors in with this brace welded across it. So I got these braces to hold the door gapped right. I cut this rocker out. It'll keep this where it's supposed to go. So I go from front and back of the door to door, and then I kind of brace it here and there. And this is only the driver's side. I did do the same style bracing down on the passenger side. But this side I got the floor cut out, fell out. And I got these braces and everything was good to go. With these braces in, I got to remove the front fender and the back fender. They unbolt. And I'll expose all this right here. I'll show you how wonderful the car is. Ready? Ready? Rust. Look at it. Rust everywhere. Right there. More rust. And more rust. So I was going to try to build these rockers myself. This is me discussing how excited I was. I was going to use a brake and hammer, and don't ever build the rockers. Go to the people who build them. I got mine from the Plymouth doctor. He was amazing. Because I found rust there. And there. And in the back, I found more rust. Rust. Look, rust holes everywhere. Rusted. But I was super excited that I took it on anyway. Once I started replacing panels, it is the most rewarding thing ever. Let's go.